We're constantly thinking of new things for them to do. I like to think of this as a place where they want to go, not that they have to be here.
I just like kind of making movies. I wanted to know how to do this more.
So we do a thing called 3D printing. So we use this website called Tinkercad, and we like put shapes in and make them into stuff. Like right now we're working on a chess piece, and so we finish that and we export it to like this file, and then he puts it into his computer and downloads it on the 3D printer.
I was moving the person, then taking a picture, then moving him again, and then taking another picture. And then I can see what I did, and it kind of makes a little video, and it's really cool.
These kids go home and play video games, so they're actually getting to somewhat work with what the basics on how to do a video game. I mean, they're learning the codes, and they're learning how to take the pictures for them. I mean, it's pretty cool. So I kind of just knew him growing up throughout school, got in touch with him one day.
I started doing animation when I was about these kids' age, so it sounded like the perfect kind of opportunity to come in and kind of teach everyone like what I've learned over the years. I made some cool connections and got to do some stuff for Thomas the Train and Dreamworks Trolls, and it's been kind of nice to be paid to do something I've been doing since I was a kid. When I explain stop motion, I always go to like old claymation, like Christmas movies like Rudolph, stuff like that. And then when you put hundreds and hundreds of pictures together, you'll start to see it come to life and start to see motion happen. I'm seeing them do what I did, you know, like 12 years ago. Super cool chance to, like I said, kind of take what I've learned and take what I'm passionate about and get to show that to other kids and invest in other kids.
I really like doing this. I think it's really fun.
It's not hard. It's complicated sometimes, but the funnest part about this is probably creating the stuff and watching it print in the 3D printer.
I know a lot of parents rely on us, and I just think it's really cool that they get the opportunity to come out here and enjoy things that they normally don't get to do at home.